In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a rectangle and turn it into a frame. We're going to keep this simple and clear, so you can follow along in any modern design tool that supports frames. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a rectangle and convert it into a frame so it can act as a container for your content and layouts. First, look for the shape icon in your toolbar. It's usually near the top or side of the interface and often looks like a small square, circle, or a combination of basic geometric shapes. Hover over it to confirm you're in the right place, then open its options. From the list of shapes, choose rectangle. This tells the tool that the next thing you draw on the canvas should be a rectangular shape, perfect for backgrounds, cards, sections, or layout blocks. Move your cursor onto the canvas area and drag to draw the rectangle. As you drag, you'll see the outline grow. Release when you're happy with the size. Most tools will display helpful guides or snap lines as you move, which can make it easier to align your rectangle with other elements or to center it on the page. If you're not seeing those, that's okay. You can always adjust the placement later by clicking and dragging the shape around. Once your rectangle is on the canvas, make sure it's selected. You'll know it's selected if you see resize handles around it. Now right-click directly on the rectangle to open the context menu. This menu gives you quick access to actions specific to the shape you clicked. If the menu doesn't appear, try right-clicking on the visible edge or fill of the rectangle and confirm the rectangle is active. From the context menu, choose Frame Selection. When you click this, your rectangle is converted into a frame. Instead of being just a simple shape, it becomes a structural container that can hold other layers, images, and text. Frames are especially useful for organizing sections of a design, setting boundaries for content, and preparing assets for responsive resizing or export. You'll notice the layer type updates to reflect its new frame status, and it will behave more like a layout group than a basic shape. That's all there is to it. Go to the shape icon, choose rectangle, drag to draw it, right-click on the shape, and click Frame Selection. With this quick workflow, you can build clean, organized layouts that are easy to manage and scale as your design grows.